Good morning everyone. This is Alexi. This morning na ako karon diri sa isa ka memorial cemetery sa Davao City. Nagbisit ko sa kuang mama because today karon nga adlaw is her 4th year death anniversary. And at the same time karon nga adlaw is my natal day, my birthday. So nawala ang akong mama. She is gone in my sight during my birthday last October 18, 2019. So time flies. Upat na siya katuig nawala sa kuwang pananaw. But the memories, the happy times, the joyful years still remain in my heart. Maski wala na akong mama, pero ang memories will always lives on. Thank you my mom. Mo ni ang bulak na akong gi-offer sa iya karong adlaw. Mo ni siya white o yellow colors. Mo ni ang favorite colors sa kuang mama. Thank you mom. Thank you for everything. Thank you for taking care of me. My mom, when she was alive, she took good care of us. Dili lang ako iyang ginaalagaan, but the rest of my siblings. I have noticed to my mom, she is very perfectionist, she is very strict, she is really a smart and intelligent woman. She is very courageous, she is very delightful, and she is a God-fearing person. That's what I remember and I have noticed to my mom. She has a lot of full of courage. She has a good heart. She is very kind to anybody. Although she is very strict and she is very perfectionist and she is very courageous. She is delightful. Mom, thank you so much. Thank you for the times of your life. You took good care of me since childhood. When I grew up and when I became an adult, of course, ma-remember na ako ang imuhang amping nimo kanako. Thank you so much, ma'am. I love you. I love you dearly. Thank you, everyone. Thank you to all my friends, my followers, my subscribers. This is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City, Philippines.